Hey, what's going on, everybody? In this video, I'm going to talk about last week's federal rate hike decision, what's going on with inflation, and a current little market update for you from my perspective. I want to jump into inflation really quick, so come with me, look at my screen. This is a report published last week. It's a July inflation report. It takes them a little bit of time to get data together before they release a report. This goes all the way back to 1965, all the way up to a current time right now. Inflation usually runs right around 3.5%. Our average is probably 3.5% to 4%. And as we all know, we're much higher than that. And the Fed's raising rates are trying to get inflation to come down. Guess what? Inflation is coming down. When inflation comes down, interest rates come down, and that's happening right now. I've seen over the last couple of weeks, interest rates are dropping. They're not dropping drastically, and they're going to kind of do this up and down thing a little bit, but they're coming down. We were in the 7s at one point a few months ago, and right now we're in the high 5s. Are we going to head into a recession? Probably. What does that mean for you trying to find a house? Well, one, you want to make sure that your job situation is secure. There are companies that I've seen tons of layoffs going on. If your situation is pretty secure and you can get a feel for that, you know your industry better than anybody, and so does your management. Get a feel for that. If they're looking at hiring, they kind of know what's going on. Usually in a recession, renting an apartment, renting a home go up, because people lose their jobs and end up needing to sell their home or whatever, might need to move and relocate to find another job. Rent prices usually go up in a recession, and interest rates usually come down. And if we can get, this is kind of bad for me to say this, but a recession might be a good thing for you if you're in a stable job and industry. That it might be a great time to buy a home, because we might see more and more houses pop up, and sellers might be willing to negotiate more and more, and interest rates are going to come down. So here's what I'm encouraging everybody to do. Don't wait until it turns into a fish frenzy again. Everybody's trying to buy a house. Get your ducks in a row now. If you need help, you have questions, you want to see some numbers, give me a call, shoot me a message. I am more than happy to just help, give you a real idea of what's going on out there in the market today. Average price for home sales in Davis County is right around $500,000. Interest rates are in the high 5s, in the high 5s, low 6s, somewhere around there. And I hope that helps. If you have any questions, please holler. We'll see you.